All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Yeah, it's time. It's time to show you the Z Flip 7. Man, I ordered this as soon as I think I ordered this when I was still at the event. I was so excited about this mint color that I saw in person. So the first video that you're going to see on this phone is the Ringke setup, man. I have so much stuff coming though, so stay locked. But I wanted to show you some case content and some screen protectors from Ringke. So here it is right here. We're going to take it out of the box in this video. Wow, there it is. Ooh. Yeah, there it is. There's the mint color. So I'm going to get this screen protector installed first. Look, it's literally brand new. So I'm going to show you some cases from Ringke, and then I'm going to first install this screen protector. First things first. All right. Yeah. I've done this before. If you follow me, I've gotten new phones in the mail and just put a screen protector on and show it to you right away. So this is the contents that's going to come in the box here. You get a little cage here. And is this a 2-pack? It is. You've got one of them already in there. And this is an extra screen protector right here. You see, you can install it there. So I'm excited, man. I'm excited to bring you this content. You get a cleaning kit here. I don't know if I'll need that cleaning kit, but it gives you instructions here on how to do it, how to set it up, install the thing or whatever. But yeah. So I'm gonna have to do first fold here. Let's get this off here. Ooh. We'll come back to that. Now, I don't know if I'll need this cleaning kit, but let's check it out. I probably just need to get dust removal tool out of here, if anything, when I peel this off. So you have your Ringke microfiber cleaning cloth. You get a little mini squeegee here. Look at Ringke showing out, man. This little squeegee card right there. That's kind of dope. And then you have your wet wipe here. And then you have the dust removal information here. So I don't think I'm going to use any of this, but if you already have your phone, you know what I'm saying, and then you end up taking this off and you didn't have your screen protector, that's when you'd fully go in with that. But I'm just going to try to kind of peel this off and just hit it with the dust if I need to. Because first thing I have to do is take this off and then seat it. And then it should be good to go. So I'm going to take this off. You have to peel this off right here. And next we'll get to the cases. So very fire. Leave that facing down, then peel this up. And I'm trusting the process. I don't think there's gonna be anything. Yeah, I'm trusting the process. So let's get it seated. Boom. Yeah, I don't think I really would need to clean it because it's literally coming new out of the box. Really nice. I will use this squeegee though to kind of help it get some of these bubbles out of here. I know I'll have to lift this up here. You can see here, yep, the glass is down. Boom. So a few little bubbles there, but they will come out with ease. Ooh, yeah. Let's go push them up to that little hole there. I always find an exit route for bubbles, man. Now these bubbles will go away on their own once the screen gets heated up, and you know, that's how they go. They just disappear. But you'll heat this up and eventually they will go away. I really like that Ringke has a full screen that goes around all the edges and everything too. And so there you have it, man. I haven't even powered this phone on yet. So let's get first boot here. Let's get it. I hope you opened up, man, even though I'm not filming a Fold 7. There we go. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you some Ringke cases, man. I got to show you some Ringke cases. And then we're going to get this thing rolling. Because there's nothing like a good case video right out the gate. So, some of you guys are gonna want to see this. Look how beautiful that full display is. Ah, man, that's just beautiful. And if I open it up, first open right there. Ooh, yeah, that's just beautiful. I can't wait to get this thing fired up with my settings. So here's the first one here. This is the Fusion Magnetic Clear Case for the Z Flip 7. Magnetic just meaning is having the MagSafe technology down there. And if you notice, Ringke has their cases now joined together as one piece. Like they have this little connecting part here, which is cool. It's cool that they're doing it like that. So here's that beautiful mint. Ooh wee, that is beautiful. So if you're watching on a Fold 7 or Fold 6 or any of those devices, you'll be watching this in full screen. Ooh. And if you're watching on a flip device, you can watch it with a partial, like the top half of your display will be full. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm feeling it, Ringke. I'm feeling it. And the mint color goes extremely well with these clear cases. It's going to be really nice. A lot of you guys have been saying, why aren't you demoing the MagSafe? I mean, it's just MagSafe. It's, man, it's tough. It's not something that you've never seen before. Yeah, it's just MagSafe. Nothing fancy. But, you know, I will say with the Z Flip, this does look a little bit better with this big ring on here because it's half of the phone showing, you know, so it definitely looks a little bit better. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. So you see you got the hinge right there. I don't really care about hinge protection nowadays, but if a phone has it, then it's appreciated. But sometimes the hinge protection can really add some bulk to the phone. So let's get this snapped all the way on here. There we go. And what you'll notice here, look at how the phone is, the camera, this area right here is really raised up. Like this is a huge lip. And it has to be that way because it gives camera protection. So when you're sitting it down like that, you get your camera protection. All right. You understand what I'm saying? So, all right, now let's go to a clear version here. This is the non-MagSafe. It's just a regular clear version. It's just going to be the same case. It's just clear. That's what it is. But I still want to show it to you. And also they have these little extra adhesive things in there for stickiness. You don't really need them though. So we'll peel this internal inside one out here. Look at that. And now we'll go ahead and remove this here. It's crazy. I haven't even used the phone yet. And I wanted to bring you these Ringke videos because I know a lot of people have been asking for case videos on the Fold 7 and then the Ringke setup as well. So I wanted to go ahead and bring it to you. So here we go. Flip 7 and Fold 7 case reviews are in. So you have your choice of a MagSafe style here or just a flat out clear version. In any event, these are the same case. They're the same case. And so the difference between this phone right here and the 6 is actually a little microphone right there. But nonetheless, you got this huge lip on the top here. It's a little strange, but it's okay because you don't notice it because it's on the back of the phone, technically. Technically, it's on the back of the phone. You can see all the ports and everything. It's cut out nicely there. So be sure when you're buying a case for these newer devices that you have all your cutouts. Because if you don't, you're going to be covering microphones. And then, you know, it could block out one of the canceling microphones, or it's just going to block out something that you actually need. Oh, man, I can't wait to get this set up. Anyway, it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Look at that. Look at Ringke coming through. This is really, really nice setup right here. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Links in the description for the tempered glass and both these cases. I will see you in a review later on down the line. No time soon, but look for some content on this device right here. Take care.